You're gonna love the 2023 Honda CR-V. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.